Hey there guys, welcome to Virtual School. This is my first video and I welcome you to the new series of the channel Computer Programming C++. So to type in our codes of C++, we are going to need an ID where we are going to type our codes. So let's just show you how to download Codeblox, the IDE obviously. So go to your favorite browser and typing Codeblox, clicking the link below, codeblox.org, and go to downloads, download the binary release, and we will be downloading this one, mingw.setup. Why? Because this has a compiler built in itself, and if you don't download this one, you have to download the compiler once again, and you might fall into trouble like you can't compile the code, or there's an error message while compiling the code if you download the rest. Okay, so download this one, sourcecourse.net. Okay, you can see your download is going to start shortly. Let's just wait. One done. Okay, so your download started. I'm gonna pause it because I have already downloaded this one. So click on the installation file and next, I agree, and don't change anything here, we don't need it right now. Okay, the next, and click the location where you want to download it, and this is extracting. Okay, and the download is finished, and they're asking if we want to run. Okay, so let's press yes, finish it. So you can see it is starting Codeblox, the open source cross-platform IDE. Okay, so this is all about this video. I hope you like it, and please do share and subscribe and hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button so that you will be notified when our next tutorial is coming. Okay, that's it guys, bye bye.